There are places on Earth that teach you the truth about time. This is one of them. The Alashan Desert covers over 270,000 square kilometers of northern China. Each year, desertification claims more land, threatening communities, ecosystems, and the climate we all share. But deserts are not permanent. They can be changed. Slowly. Deliberately. Route by route. G&G is a brand built on printing. Cartridges. Technology. Global supply chains. It is, by most measures, an industrial enterprise. But for more than a decade, it has been asking itself a different question. What does an industrial company owe the world it operates in? Since its earliest years, G&G has collected used cartridges from users around the world. Not because it was required to. Because it chose to. In 2025 alone, G&G recovered nearly 18 million used cartridges, covering 1,360 product models. Every one of them diverted from landfill. G&G's factories generate their own clean energy. Solar installations across multiple campuses produced over 22 million kilowatt-hours in 2025, a 109% increase year-on-year. This is not an offset. This is energy independence, earned slowly, panel by panel.
We have been in the printing business for many years, and for many years, people have told us, cartridges are disposable, ink is wasteful, this industry cannot be sustainable. We disagree. We have always disagreed. Everything we do, the recycling, the clean energy, the carbon certifications, begins with that disagreement. We believe this industry can be better. We are proving it's possible.
ISO 14001 accredited. MSCI ESG rated AA, green products covering over 16,000 certified models globally. This is the record of a company that has been building something, quietly, consistently, for years. In April 2026, G&G came to Alashan. Not for a product launch. Not for a press announcement. For a commitment. Over the next 13 years, G&G has committed to restoring desert land in the Yulunbu region of Alashan. In 2025 alone, 47,000 saxaul trees were planted across 560 acres of degraded land. But this is not G&G's first time in the desert. Since 2014, over 10 years, the company has supported ecological restoration through the Alashan SEE Foundation. In next 14 years, total more than 76,000 trees. Over 1,140 acres. A saxaul tree can anchor more than 100 tons of sand in its lifetime. Its roots grow deeper than the tree is tall. It does not ask for much. It does not grow fast. But it holds. G&G is building something with the same logic. Not headlines. Not quarterly metrics. Roots. Every cartridge that does not reach a landfill. Every kilowatt-hour generated by the sun. Every tree that holds a little more sand in place. Every child who reads a book in a classroom that has one. This is the work. Patient, cumulative, and real. G&G leading the world, leaving it greener.